Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy New Year to you guys. So, the first video back is going to be a wig review. So I actually did film some of the process of me applying this wig and laying the lace. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace of the wig by using this even tinted lace spray in the shade medium brown. Tinted good enough. So now just making sure the lace is pretty centered. I'll go ahead and spray. All right, so I'm gonna take Yolova's band and just lay it right over the lace. All right, and while that is melting down, we can go ahead and style the rest of the hair. I have a Kira stick that I'm gonna use up top for these flyaways. Ooh, that sucker it is stuck on there. It is on there. Look at that. This ain't no joke. Okay, that ain't no joke. All right, it is not moving. Okay. So first I'm supposed to cut these little tabs off over here. Okay. Just cut these. You guys know how I feel about lace, and I just feel so self-conscious when I wear lace closures, frontals, because of the lace application. I can never get it to look like how I see professional hairstylists do it. So we're gonna get into this lace closure wig that I have on today. It's by Yolova Hair. Okay, this is the packaging that it came in. It came with, of course, some lashes that they always throw in. It came with wig caps. It also came with this elastic band, which, listen, I did not know that the elastic band was the key to getting the lace, you know, to adhere flat, like stuck. Like, of course, you have to use the right products, but the elastic band makes all the difference. It is Velcro, which is perfect. Okay, it's Velcro. I put it on. It fits snug. It's adjustable, so whether your head is big, small, medium size, this will work for you. They also sent a satin headband, which is also perfect. So I wouldn't necessarily use this to, you know, apply the lace. That's cute. I wouldn't necessarily use this to apply or to hold down the lace when you put like your glue or either your hairspray down to hold the lace down. I wouldn't use that. I would use the elastic band for that purpose only. Okay, use this to hold the lace down to get that lace secure. Once that's secured and you ready to do your baby hairs or whatever, then you can use the soft wrap. You can use the satin wrap to do that. So this was very, very, you know, they thought about things. So I don't know who was in their ear, but they thought about it. So you get both of these in the box, and the wig came in a satin bag. So this is perfect. So you can store your wig in. Once you remove it, clean it, detangle it, blow dry it, make sure it smells good and it's fresh. Good for storage. I have their 5x5 lace closure wig. It is 24 inches long and it is 180% density. So this is the length for me in the front. It comes not even to my waist. Yeah. And I'm 5'7", so you know, it's like right above my waist. It doesn't necessarily come to my waist. So the construction details of this wig, it has a comb on each side. So on the side, there's these ear tabs and they're bendable. So you can like press them in to mold, like curve, you know, against your head. So that it doesn't flap up. So you can see it does not flap up. It's like molded. Okay, so I can bend it this way and then it lays flat on my head, okay, which is perfect. It lays flat on my head. So there's combs here. There's one right up here, right behind the closure. One comb I use in the back. The adjustable straps, I have it all the way in. You can adjust the tightness of the wig. The wig is snug. I did not bleach the knots because I didn't want to ruin, you know, baby steps. We're not going to oh, this is great to know that I did not bleach any knots or anything like that. The only thing that I did do to the lace is tint it with the even spray. So I'll get a little bit closer so you can see. So you can see my lace closure here, Lord Jesus. So I get a little bit closer so you can see the part, okay? Like I say, this is a 5x5 closure. So you definitely get a lot more parting space. I'm actually thinking about trying to do like a side part the next time. I think that side part gonna be busting. Yeah, that side part gonna be hitting. So you get so much parting space on both sides. See that? I didn't color the hair. It's still in its natural color. So the natural color came in like a 1B, I want to say, with little hints of brown, which to me is very natural. If you guys want to try it, you can click on their link down below in the description box. Of course, they provided a coupon code for you guys to use. If you wish to try the wig, go ahead and use this code. I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Happy New Year. Stay flawless, boo.